Healthy smoothie recipes. Weight loss for summer. Having a blended fruit drink can be the best way to pack a punch into your morning and create a glow on your face. You might want to forget the coffee and tea after you read this, for research says a smoothie, which is a drink blended with vitamins, can bring energy to your diet. Drinking one in the morning helps keep you from having empty carbohydrates in the form of sweet donuts and other eats, but the biggest advantage of a smoothie as opposed to other juices is that it has natural fiber, which helps to cleanse the digestive tract. A smoothie that has berries can help fight wrinkles and other skin aging signs, as berries have antioxidants, for building immunity, for a diabetic and weight loss. They are also a way to control blood sugar that can play spoil sport with one's complexion. Shonali Sabarwal, certified macrobiotic health counselor and instructor, is all for the smoothie. With juicing, you can juice a variety of vegetables that you may not normally enjoy eating whole, she says. Adding greens are a big plus. Personally feel that in India we don't have an abundant amount of leafy greens, and that's one thing every Indian must have in his or her diet daily. Greens have chlorophyll, and the chlorophyll molecule is the basis for every form of carbohydrate on our planet. That means there is no sugar, rice, honey, potato, spaghetti or rice, or bread that did not originate from a molecule of chlorophyll. Plants accumulate nutrients long before seeds are formed. This puts greens in the category of the most nutritious plants on the planet. You can prepare different smoothie and juice recipes to benefit from specific health components from its ingredients. Sabarwal presents 3 easy-to-make varieties. 1. Mixed greens. Ingredients: green apple, 1. Capsicum, 1/4. Celery, 2 stalks. Beet, 1. Bok choy, 3-4 leaves. Red cabbage, small amount. Method: blend together. Benefit: for building immunity and weight loss. 2. Fruitalicious. Ingredients: carrots, 4. Green apple, 1. Beetroot, 1/2 to 1, small. Method: blend together. Benefit: for building immunity, for a diabetic and weight loss. 3. Green smoothie. Ingredients: spinach leaves, 3 to 4. Beet, 1. Bok choy leaves, 3 to 4. Banana, 1, small. Kiwi, 1/2. Water, 1/2 cup. Optional: to add stevia, sugar substitute which is natural, and do add spirulina, 1/2 teaspoon. Benefit: for building immunity and weight loss.